Hello YouTube, just giving you guys a little update on my Taco Mini Bike 100B Custom from Joe, TacoMiniBikes.com. I'm really enjoying this mini bike. It's fun. Joe's a good guy to work with. And here comes the train. Just showing you guys what it looks like out the box. It goes pretty fast. I'll be making another video with it running. You guys can see how it runs and everything. If you like, hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.